a nigga's rap styles is broken. Doodoo, compared to this versatile voodoo. Blazing the stuff that ain't nice, stimulation inside ya. Cause I be that house of provider, providing the rhyme that be deep as the facade and adventure. Niggas need to test they freaking temperature for the sickness that be spreading with the quickness. Remedies, cousin, I be doing on my enemies. Penalty, then I drink 40s to their memories. Emotion, coursing through your town street vicinity. Blood smoke in the air reveals my identity. Somebody said it's on, if it is then I'll be set to blow a nigga up with my 5 fingers of death. I bring it to his whole damn fam. Understand if you frontin' on any man down with the clan, I'll be coming for the headpiece. You can't go for my brother. I bring it to the blow, bro, the mother. Serial killer sound from the yells of stat. My peoples, are you with me where you at? Shit's getting deep in here. I mean like thick. Niggas looking all in my face like they want dick. It's about to hit the fan, hit the flow. That's all I can stand and I can't stand no more. What is it? Niggas think they bigger because they got their finger on the trigger of a biscuit. They don't know I'm wicked. When I start to kick it, eat they raw sand, wash it down with a mystic. That I had a snapple. Nigga want the juice, but he don't want the hassle. So we try to overthrow the castle. That I at the temple. I'm coming to your damn black damn. The rental, call the pistol. God, if you don't wanna burn from the clock, then beware. A buck shots, meaning what? The buck stops here. No more dough will be made unless it's being made by who?
Confident we'll get there someday, pushing all the papers to a wealthy man. What might I say, a beautiful tie you're wearing? How do you find such lovely polka dots and stripes these days? Break all my thoughts hit the floor like I'm making the score. I'm the king of the world, I'm the popular man. Count my zeros to 10. If you can't, well I can. Don't let anyone wake me. I'm dreaming out loud, dreaming out loud. And all at once, so familiar it seems. I'm dreaming out loud, dreaming out loud. Can't find a puzzle to fit any piece, a part of me. Curtain calls and sanctuary characters in the cloth, they freak me out. I get my purpose in the magazines. The famous how that make you feel grand. They're always there to hold your hand in times of trouble. The best of friends. Break all my thoughts hit the floor.